Hi everyone. After one of my viewers saw my recent video on the attempted hijacking, he thought he'd send me this.
Exit the roundabout onto Newport Bypass. Continue on Newport Bypass for half a mile.
What are you doing? Get off!
Now that for me is truly terrifying. That's not a nice ordeal for anyone to have to go through. But there is a little bit more information I'd like to give out before I do a little bit of analysis on this clip. This incident didn't stop where the clip ends. It actually carried on for maybe 30 minutes after that. Every single time my viewer stopped his vehicle, maybe at a junction or a set of lights, these attackers were out of the car again trying to get at him, and they kept on damaging his car.
What are you doing?
He did phone the police while he was driving, and the police eventually caught up with the incident and it stopped. I actually think the attackers got away as well. Whether or not that they are still at large and they haven't been found, I doubt it, because their faces are pretty clear on the video, but they did get away at the time of the incident. So let's have a quick look to see what my viewer could have done differently. And it's dead simple. It's probably obvious, you've probably sussed it out already. Just don't get involved. If someone wants to overtake you and push in, honestly, just let it happen. It's not worth escalating it and fighting for your space. And it was this that really caused all of the problem.
Exit the roundabout onto Newport Bypass. Continue on Newport Bypass.
You do actually hear some sort of collision part of the way throughout the clip. I actually think it was my viewer's wheel hitting the curb on the left, because I didn't see any damage on the blue Audi. The stop that my viewer had to do to stop behind the car was quite quick. You can actually hear the ABS kicking in as he did his stop, but it was a good job that he kept his distance. This allowed him, in the end, to escape.
On Newport Bypass for half a mile.
What are you doing?
In my previous video about the attempted hijacking, I did say instinctively I may have been tempted to put my car in reverse and reverse back into the people getting out. That leads me nicely onto this clip. My viewer has actually said to me that the police were okay with him running this guy over because he was in fear of his life, and all he's trying to do is escape.
Get off!
Our roads are full of some horrible people. You just don't know who's going to be in the car next to you. It's the same everywhere as well. It's no different in, I think this was in Birmingham, it's no different here in Liverpool, and it's literally just not worth challenging that little piece of road space for the potential outcome. People could get seriously injured by these absolute numpties. It's not worth it. Let it go. My viewer wanted to remain anonymous. His registration has also been blurred out for obvious reasons, but he did want people to learn from his mistakes. If this happens to you, literally, don't let it happen. It's that simple. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you all soon.